Most people wash their face every day, but most are doing it wrong. Today, I'm going to teach you the correct way to cleanse your skin to prevent acne, reduce oiliness, avoid irritation, and keep your face healthy and glowing. Let's get straight to the point. Before you start, make sure your hair is pulled back or secured with a headband. Wash your hands first. This step is essential to avoid transferring dirt and bacteria to your face. Then choose the right cleanser for your skin type: gels or foaming cleansers for oily and acne-prone skin, cream or milk cleansers for dry skin, and gentle fragrance-free formulas for sensitive skin. Using the right product is already half the process. When you go to wash your face, always use lukewarm water. Hot water irritates and dries out the skin, while cold water doesn't remove oil effectively. Lukewarm water softens the skin and helps loosen dirt and excess sebum. Wet your face, then work the cleanser into your hands first to create a light foam. Apply it to your face with gentle, circular motions, focusing on the forehead, nose, cheeks, chin, and jawline. Cleanse for about 30 to 60 seconds. Anything shorter won't clean properly, and anything longer can irritate your skin. Avoid scrubbing too hard or using abrasive sponges or cloths. Rinse thoroughly to remove all residue, especially around the nose, beard area, and hairline. Any leftover cleanser can clog pores. Gently pat your face dry with a clean towel. Don't rub. Follow with a moisturizer, even if your skin is oily. This is a common misconception. Moisturizers don't cause acne when used correctly. Choose lightweight oil-free formulas for oily skin and richer creams for dry skin. Apply with gentle upward motions to protect the skin barrier and keep the skin balanced. If you're doing your morning routine, finish with sunscreen. Use SPF 30 or higher and reapply if you spend time outdoors. This step helps prevent dark spots, inflammation, and premature aging. At night, your cleansing routine should be slightly different. If you're wearing sunscreen, makeup, or were exposed to pollution, double cleansing is ideal. Start with a makeup remover, cleansing balm, or micellar water. Then wash your face again with your regular cleanser to ensure your skin is completely clean. And that's how you properly cleanse your face every day. Simple steps that make a big difference in the health of your skin. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and comment what skincare topic you'd like to learn next.